So upon picking up your vehicle here at Nanaimo Mitsubishi, we're gonna give you this sheet here where it goes over everything that we checked on your service that day. The beautiful thing about this too is it's gonna let you know if there's any upcoming things to look out for, if there's any recommendations that are gonna be coming up. That way you keep on track as well as we keep on track to keep your vehicle the best that we can. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed our customer showroom while you've been waiting for your vehicle to be finished. You know, once it's all finished, we're gonna make sure it's got a nice, beautiful clean on it with a vacuum, of course, as will be parked right out front of us at the front doors here, waiting for you to go. I hope you guys have enjoyed my tour. This is Scott Harrison from Nanaimo Mitsubishi signing out.